Hi friends, as you can see I'm at my friend Leon's place because I'm in the Honda garage today, because I wanted to give you guys a little update on my Honda Civic project that hasn't been on the channel for quite some time, because I think it's been at least 4 months since I've replaced the timing belt. I think that's the last thing I did to this car on this channel, because I kinda quit this project early because it needs a lot of welding and I can't do that myself, and I gotta do that at my friend Leon's place, and that's why it's here, of course, because all of the technical stuff I can do at my own place, but welding I'm still learning, and Leon's teaching me, so that's why this car's here. And it hasn't been on the channel for a while because I haven't been working on it myself, but as you can see it is on a lift because Leon has started working on it, and today I wanted to show you guys the process and tell you a bit more about my plans with this car, because it has been changed a whole lot during the past few months. But I do got a good idea for this car now, as I didn't have in the beginning, because I used to ask you guys what to do with this car because I had no idea, but I do have an idea now, so I did want to share it today with you guys, even though it isn't that interesting maybe, but I think you guys will know a bit more about my plans, because some of my projects I don't finish, and I get a lot of comments about that I never finish my projects. So I wanted to give you guys a little update, and maybe I'll do some more updates on other cars, but I'm going to push this car outside, I think, so you can see it a bit better. Leon, 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 can you help me? Yeah. Way. Amazeballs. And there it is. And now I remember what my last video about this car was about, because I was doing those headlights, and I still got to fix that one that I still haven't done. But the other one's shiny, so that's really nice. But I still gotta fix that headlight. And other than that, nothing else has changed on this side at least. Now first let me explain why I didn't finish this project in one go, because that does have an important reason, and that's for all of my projects. Because as you may have seen on my main channel, a lot has changed and I'm now taking on bigger projects. And I'm doing that in less videos, because I try to finish my projects in 3 to 4 videos now that I'm working with the team and a professional cameraman. And like I said, this car needs a lot of welding, and I have to do that here at Leon's place, but that's a 3-hour drive, single trip from my home. And I can't just take Pascal and Patrick, my cameraman, here to help me with that and to film it. So I decided not to do that on the main channel, and I'd have to do that on the MK2 channel. And yeah, I could have done that, but then Leon made another offer, because if I helped him with the engines of his cars, he could weld this car for me. So I think that's a better deal, because I also have my BMW that I still have to weld. Wait, it's right here. And as you may know, that has been sitting here for quite some time, and I think it's a better idea if I just weld that car myself, because it still needs a lot of welding, and I'm thinking about taking a week off from work to finish welding this car. And in the meantime, Leon has started welding my Civic, which I'm really happy about, and also Honda parking only or something, because there's a lot of Hondas on here and they're all Leon's Hondas. But yeah, I don't know if you remember, but this car used to be super rusty. Well, it still is on the other side, but Leon has welded this for me, and it has it had a big dent in there, and he even got that dent out. So I'm really happy with that so far. Now the other side still needs to be welded, because it is pretty rusty. But Leon's a lot better welder than I am, and he's also a lot faster. So he can probably do this in a weekend, while it would take me 3 weekends or something at least. And also I've only welded floor pans and all that stuff, and not actual wheel arches, because I think that's a whole lot harder, because that's actually inside once that car's painted, and I don't want it to be ugly or to be needing a lot of Bondo. Now my plans for this car have changed a whole lot too, because my plan was actually to turn this into a project car, and according to all of the comments I got, I was thinking that I should make a track tool or something out of it, and I thought that would be super fun. But then I ran into a little problem, because my current daily driver is my V70 diesel, and it's right there. And I absolutely love that car. I love the space, I love how it drives, and I love the comfort, because I drive 1,000 kilometers a week at least. But the problem is I'm super broke, and yes, that's also because I own a lot of cars, but I can't afford that car anymore, because it costs me over 300 euros a month just for taxes and insurance. And then I still have the diesel to pay, and diesel is super expensive nowadays, so I can't afford that car anymore, unfortunately. So I need a cheaper car to daily drive, and then I figured I might as well daily this car that I already own, because I was thinking about dailying a Peugeot 107 and then I'd still have to buy one. And I already got this one, and then Leon offered me to weld it for me if I help him with his Civic, and I thought that's the best deal ever. So this is going to be my daily driver. And of course, when this is all welded, and luckily the underside of the car is still in pretty good condition, but it's mostly the wheel arches. But once they're done, I can't leave them like this, because the bare metal will start rusting again. So I will have to partially respray the car or something like that. I think I'm going to partially respray it and not repaint the entire car, even though we might be able to do this ourselves. Because as you guys know, we've already repainted, well, primered the 850R here in Leon's backyard, and he's already repainting his own Civic, but that takes a whole lot of time, and I need this car fast, because yeah, I can't afford my diesel anymore. But I do need a daily car to drive, because I drive a lot. So for now I'm going to let Leon weld this car and then partially respray it, just so it doesn't rust any further. And then I may repaint it, but I'm also thinking about wrapping this car, because I'd love to learn how to wrap a car, because that's something I could do in my own garage too, because you don't need any space or a paint booth for that. So I'm thinking about doing that. That might be fun, and also for my other projects, because I usually have some parts that need to be restored. So I may do that, but that will make it big project again, so not for now. But for now Leon's fixing it for me, and that's why this car hasn't been on the channel, and also that's why a lot of other cars haven't been on my channel, because I'm focusing on my main channel now, and I want to take on big projects, finish them in a couple of weeks, and then upload 3 videos about it, and that's it. And also I want to sell some of the cars I'm doing on the main channel, so I can make a bit of money for my own projects, because they're all standing still because of money and everything. So that's a little explanation for all of you guys that have been commenting that I should finish my project. Yes, I know. But it's also a bit hard, and also because I need to do a lot of welding, and I always have to do it right here, and it's 6 hours total to drive here and drive back home. So that's it for my little update. I'm sorry if this is a bit of a boring video, because it's just a lot of talking, but I figured it would be fun to give you guys a little update on this car. And if you want to see an update on other cars, please let me know in the comments. For now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!